Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna talk the some of the newses which affect the stocks guys. First of all, we have these five things which affect the stock. First of all, first is bad news guys. Whenever bad news came about the company or something, some allegation has been happened. So that bad news has been affect to the that company and their stock will goes down. Okay guys, if something good news has been came, so whatever good news will came, so insider trading will be there guys. You know that these two good news and bad news, in this insider trading or inside information you can get, so you can make very means very huge and big profit guys. Okay guys, this is the thing is that because bad news always affect the market, but what happened is that bigger player knows that because the insider news, and what they do is that they can make a position like short position, so they can make a good money in downfall also. Okay guys, in good news you know that the company gets some tenders or something good things about the company is growing bigger and bigger or acquiring new companies like that, so that company has been good news. So insider what they do is that they have information, so they can take the position in options and make within 2 to 5 days. Earlier only they have made enough position in that basis. 4 to 5 days after that, that news will be came and boom, their pricing, you know that their risk is very small. Within $10 is their risk, and their risk to reward got $100. You think that $10 to $100, this is the thing guys. You have to ignore guys whenever news came about bad news or good news, so you have to ignore that stock at on that day or on 2 days or 3 days later. On that only you have to take any trade guys, because this will be volatile and your SL will be hit. So in these 2 days you don't have to take any trade guys. Okay guys, third is share dividend. You know that guys, some of the companies, like a huge company, they do not have to do anything, like Coca-Cola. We know that the Coca-Cola do not have to grow so much quickly guys, because their growth is so much nicer, but everybody drinks has been all right. But what happened, they do not have expenses, because they do not have to take a new thing, new something. They do not have to invent, they have already product, they have to just pack it down and sell it down. Okay guys, so they got so much money in their hand, so what they have do is that they give the dividend at that time. So what happened, in this time also, in dividend getting at this time also, you can know that the Warren Buffett also have the Coca-Cola. Why is that? Because of this only, because Coca-Cola do not have so much new things to do. Okay guys, they can do marketing or something, that is not enough. They have a huge money, because Coca-Cola what we drink is very few guys. I will not explain that how much in Coca-Cola is made in and how much we can get. Okay guys, that is up to you. You can search in YouTube also, you can get it, no worries about it. So that is very minimal about it, so they can get very huge money. So company what will do about it? So company do not have any future or any further expenses, so what they will do, just whoever have their shares to, so they can split it and give them some of the dividends, so they can have their money what they have invested, so they can get some of the interest. Like we can do FDs or something, so in bank we go and do FDs, like that only they can give some of the money. So we are loyal about the Coca-Cola like that. Okay guys, in splitting share guys, this is the main point guys. You have to see this. In splitting share, I have seen that 50,000 or 10,000, like we can take some more example, like okay, just think about it, that some of the company has $1,000 right now share price. So what they have to do, you know that what happened is that in thousand right now in ₹1,000, $1,000, so it will be the expensive for some of the them. Okay guys, what they do is that because they wanted to take so many shares within few, so what they do is that they will just split, and what they do is which is $1,000, they split their shares into 10. So what happened? In 10 shares, one share will be now $100. If you have $100, you can buy the one share of that company. So like that they can do when they think that okay, our price is so much high right now and we do not getting that liquidity, guys. Remember, this liquidity is very important role in any share, guys. Remember, I will also make this point also, liquidity. Okay guys, 6 is liquidity. I like q, I will just write liquidity. Okay guys, I like you can think about it. Okay guys, this is the liquidity. So we can talk about next on, but splitting share, when the company think that their share is so much expensive, so they can split at that time, guys. When that share is splitting, before 2 to 3 days, guys, go and buy their shares, guys, because within 2 to 3 days after that splitting, gradually buying will came out. Okay guys, remember that gradually buying will came out. Within that 2 to 3 weeks, you can get two not, it will be mainly 3 to 2 days, 3 to 4 days will be there. So their buying happening will be the very fast. Okay guys, at that time you have bought something future or their shares also. If you are not interested to trade or something, you have bought their shares too, guys. So you can definitely get 10 to 15% at 4 to 5 days, guys. That's why I'm telling you, because you can think that somebody has in whole world who have so much money, guys, money at that time. You can think that one share at $1,000, that will more expensive for us. If that share is splitted at 10, then you can get one share at $100. So we can capable to take $100 given and take one share. That is the thing that company will recognize and do this type of strategies, guys. So their liquidity will be maintained. Okay guys, we can see that liquidity also. First we can see the maintenance news. Some of the my subscriber has been asked that some of the maintenance is going on, sir. So I will not tell you full on. Okay guys, some of the maintenance is going on, so 10 days shutdown will be there. Okay guys, so what happened is that if company will not shut down, so what happened is that their machinery is very heavy and their lubrication and all this has to be done. If they will continuously running that machine, so it will mainly damage their company or their fuel pumps or their anything, that motors, all are the things which can transport. So their if they do not do the maintenance, then it will blast, and which will be the 10 days maintenance. It will be required more than 1 month, 2 month, like this, guys. So that's why what they do is company does the maintenance. Okay guys, that is 10 to 15 days. That will be the according to the company's regulation. Okay guys, that will be done. Because of this is the not a negative news, guys. Okay guys, you have to remember, this is the not a negative news, guys. Okay guys, I will show you the one thing also, but right now maintenance. Okay guys, in some of the subscriber has been told that news is going on, so natural gas. So I will tell you that thing, natural gas. So can we have to, it will affect the market or something like that, they have been asked for me, but that is the not a matter, guys. Okay guys, I will show you that too, guys, so you can get it. Here you can see the see guys, 1 hourly time frame. I will switch it on. First of all, maintenance. You know that, guys, this is the not a negative news, not a good news. Because of maintenance, every company need a maintenance. Otherwise, company don't have the maintenance, then they can cost more than what they can do within 10 to 15 days maintenance. Okay guys, that's why they do not have wanted to do the more expenses due to that thing. Okay guys, we can see here, guys, what happened is that here you can see here somewhere here only somewhere here or here told that my subscriber is that Russian has been shutting down 10 days for maintenance, so natural gas, it will affect the market. No, you can see that it has been fallen within 3 hours. Okay guys, gradually increase, boom. So you can see that it doesn't affect anything. Why is that this has been came down up till here? That the question I have always told you guys. Please check out my previous videos also. I have told you, whenever gap has been created, that has to fill. This area has to fill. So this area has been filled. After that, boom, one-sided momentum. You can see that. That's why I have told you, please remember this thing. Small things are there to required to see. Okay guys, this is the maintenance of the news. It will not affect any stock, anything guys. Remember that maintenance is the thing, because we also take a rest. Why? We have to work continuously. We have been done work, so we have to automatically admit in a hospital. So that do not happen in our life also. So that's why we have to also do the in company maintenance. Okay guys, in liquidity, we can, I will tell you one thing. In liquid stock, what happened is that in liquid stock, so many people will come, especially trader will so much like this liquid stocks. Why is that? Because in liquid stock you have to see that always there is a buyer and seller. Okay guys, you have taken any Tesla. Okay guys, just to take a Tesla. Okay, so what happened in that guys, in Tesla, you know that there is always liquidity, always there is seller, always there is buyer and seller. There are continuously buying and selling happening. So that is the good for any company guys, because that liquidity gives the trader the best place. There they want to exit, at that point only they can exit. Okay guys, at that point only they can buy. This is the speciality of liquidity. Okay guys, also that in stock, because of some of the illiquids, like a small cap, like these companies, what happened, their market cap is very small guys. What happened, bigger player, what they do is that gradually increase guys. Some of the stock, go and check out their price. You do not see that. You can check out the some of the stocks are there which are the minimally in Tesla only. I will just a second, I will take Tesla. Do not bother about it guys. So sorry about it if you like the Tesla so much. So in Tesla you can see here, I will show you the thing is that in Tesla, so you can also so much surprise about it, that what happened is that why it has been grown this much gradually. You can see here guys, I will not do anything. In 2020 you can see here, at that time only corona period has been came down. Okay guys, it's high, we can see at 187 guys, it came at 70, boom. You can see that 180 to 1200 days. What is the reason guys? Nothing is the reason. This is the sentiment stock guys. Remember that in Tesla stock there is the sentiment guys, like one of the influencer, whoever you know that some of the you have that emotional attachment, something like that. So this is the emotional attachment right now. You can see that gradually, and this is the best place where bigger player will keep. You can see that here came, taken it upside. What happened here? Bigger player has been came, boom, one-sided momentum. You can see here also bigger player has been came. Okay guys, you can see that after that they can see that it is really overvalued. They started dumping. You can see that right now it is at a 700 guys. What do you think? You have bought at 1000 or 900, you have got a seriously in a loss guys. This is the thing is that you have to see guys, in buyer and seller perspective guys. You can see that what happened in Tesla. You can give me some of the reason. Okay, Tesla is good company, no doubt guys, because it's making a very nice cars. I am also a very huge respect for Tesla, because and also in Elon Musk, because he is doing very great thing is that he is bringing the new electric vehicles, and their safety also maintenance is very nice only guys. Okay, some technical issue will come, no worry about it, but you can think that guys, in practically think guys, do not think about the future or like that. Do not think that he is the our mentor or something like this. Please do not become a so much huge fan, guys, because they have so much money, so they do not worry about it. Okay, guys, so that's why in Tesla you can say that it has been increased so much. What is the reason? Also that Elon Musk also came in a Twitter and tweeted also, my Tesla's share is so much high. I don't know why is that happening. So that exactly I don't know, but Tesla also, he also tweeted that it's overvalued. Okay, guys, remember that it's, he also told that overvalued, because you can think that something good news also come, I will take that double, it become a double, it's okay. To 180 to 500 550, it's okay, but 1200 is nothing like that, guys. It's just like that. It's a way far away. Okay, guys, do not invest in these stock, guys. I'm telling for retail traders, guys, who are in investment, not in a trading. If you are trader, go and trade in Tesla. There are so much liquidity, no worry about anything. Okay, guys, in traders, in investor, guys, please, you have to maintain your hard-earned money, guys. I respect your hard-earned money, that's why I'm making this video. I know that the few 2 4 5 people will see this, but please share with your friends and families also, guys. They also know the some of the fundamentals and some of the investment ideas, because you have bought at say 1200 1000 or 800, something like that. You can see that Tesla share came at 798 or something, and right now also I am not bullish in that. I am still bearish in Tesla. So please do not make this video. That's why I am making this video, guys, about the news, how the news will work. I will just summarize bad news and good news. You know that the bigger player will came, yeah, at this place, because insider news, you know that at that place only they will came. So we are the traders, so we do not have to trade at these good news or bad news days, so we do not get our money hurted. So that's why do not trade in these days. And share dividend, you know that the in shares where the dividend has been given, some of the people has been taken their share within a we know that the within 1 to 2 months earlier only to share dividends. So some people will take their shares, and after dividend they can sell their dividend also, like this also has been done. So their stock will gradually increase after 1 day, or at a day only, that fall has been come at that day, not at 2 to 3 days, that fall has been came. Okay, guys, splitting share at $1000, we are not capable, we have only $100. So company will see the splitting, because they need a because of they need the liquidity. That's why they can split their share to, we can get the one full share of $100. Okay, guys, splitting share, you can see that maintenance news, you know that every company need a maintenance. I do not have to elaborate that thing. Okay, guys, maintenance news is nothing, it is a just a thing is that somebody tell you or news has been came, that's the rubbish has been talking. So maintenance news doesn't affect. Okay, that company will do not supply more and more gas, or some blast has been happened 2 to 3 months, it cannot supply the any gases or something, anything maintenance or something. So that will be the bigger bad news, then it called as a news, bad news. Okay, guys, in liquid stock, you know that the because of liquidity only the stock is so much nice for traders. And in stock investor also, you have to see the liquidity, because the bigger player, what they do, their market cap is very small, so they can buy it, take it upside momentum, like Tesla I have told you, take upside 1200, and there they started dumping. They dumps the their shares, and they can huge profit has been made, like that only at 1200 and 1100 and 1000. At this place only retail trader will trap and take their whole quantity at that place, and their losses will be came. That's why this is the retail trader only properly, guys, because I respect your hard-earned money, guys. That's why I'm making this video. Hope you like this video, guys. If you want any queries or something, please comment me down, so I will let me know that you are facing this problem, so I will make a surely a news or new video about it, or I will explain in a detail in a comment only. If you do not think it's sufficient, please comment me down, so I will explain in a detail also. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video and need like this more information about shares or forex trading and commodity trading, as well as Dow Jones index trading and some of the stocks, liquid stocks like Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft, like these companies also, some of the intradays thing, so you can join my Telegram channel too, guys. Also, if you want this channel, please subscribe this channel, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you, guys.